Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here at MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. I want to take a few moments and show you a boat that just became available on brokerage, a boat that's super hard to find. This is a 2019 Grady-White 180 Fisherman, packed full of features. Look at this beautiful hull color in blue. Now it's important to note, this boat has always been dry stored. He did purchase, the original owner purchased the boat with the trailer, never used the trailer. However, to your benefit, you do have a trailer that comes with a boat, okay? As you walk back here to the back, you'll see that it's equipped with the flagship Yamaha 150 4-stroke engine, okay? And another little icing on the cake, installed underwater lights on both sides. So that's beautiful ambiance at night, helps bring that bait up to the water. Notice the big boarding ladder. If you're at the island for the day, getting on and off the boat. But let's go aboard and let me show you some of the great features on this boat. Okay folks, here we are aboard this 2019 Grady-White 180 Fisherman. We're here in the cockpit space. You'll notice the two aft jump seats. Also, up underneath these jump seats, you got plenty of access there to your batteries. You got some cup holders in here. Notice this, see this fitting right here? This is a quick disconnect flush kit right there. So instead of flushing your boat from the motor, you can actually put the nozzle in there and flush it. You'll see this nice, big, spacious leaning post for this size of a boat. This is fully adjustable, that you can go backwards or forward if you're standing up. Does come with a nice Yeti cooler. It was upgraded to the Yeti cooler, still got the tag on the cooler. Now, this boat only has 93 hours on it. It's a 2019 model. Again, it was dry stored. Just had the 100-hour service done. So the boat's fresh, it's ready to go. All your controls right here on your helm. You'll notice the CL5 display that monitors your engines. You've got your rocker switches here, easy accessible. Note that it does have trim tabs and Garmin GPS sonar installed, okay? As we move forward here to the front of the boat, you got plenty of spacious walkway, as well as plenty of shade with this bimini top. But as we come up front here, this is actually a fish box. You got an extra anchor in there. That's actually your anchor locker, but big insulated fish box. And your live well, folks, is right here. Big, spacious live well. Recessed grab rails for when it gets a little bumpy. But folks, this is an awesome boat to really do a little bit of everything. If you want to bait fish, get in some skinny water, you want to take it offshore on a decent day. Like I said, these boats are just hard to find used, and this one's just in pristine shape. So it'd be my pleasure to show it to you in person at a very accessible price. You can give me a call anytime. Again, my name is Kenny Brown, MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And as I always say, it's about making memories on the water.